have done is I have hooped sticky back wash away on my hoop. So I have put that on the back because I'm gonna want to wash away most of the stabilizer. Let's take this up a notch and let's put a little flexi foam on the top of ours. The very first thing is we're to our machine stitch out where it actually puts the outline stitch of the top on there.
Okay, here's my first
your first public service announcement?
Yes.
Okay.
Do not stitch over those ties.
Yes, and so did you see what I did? I taped them away from you.
Yeah.
Did you have a friend that did that?
Yeah, I think
me
Sherry.
too, the very first time. Sherry?
Sherry,
yeah. Sherry did it on mine too, so she must not have learned. Yeah, I think Sherry did that.
Stitches down real nice.
Yep. Okay, so our next line is actually a finished trim line.
Right.
If we were not going to use a flexi foam. So we want to go to our machine. So I'm going to show this on, we're stitching on the Brothers Stellaire, this would be the same. We're going to actually hit that little back button and we're going to back that up to the
very first one.
Very first one again.
I always get them mixed up. I'm trying to go backwards and I go forward.
I know. You just have to kind of watch your screen.
Here's the trick. Here's my thing.
Okay.
Look at what step you're on before you start touching it.
That is a great.
Thank you. I'm very
Public
smart.
service announcement number 2. You are a genius.
I got all kinds for you. Make sure this fits over the stitch lines too.
Okay. Oh my word. Did Sherry taught you that too? We're gonna take this flexi foam, we back that up, and we're just gonna add that because it's gonna give us just a little bit of a poof. Now remember, this is not digitized to add that on here. So we want to trim really close to that stitch line. So my favorite tool to do that, what would be your favorite tool to do that?
The little tiny scissors.
I'm gonna use these little snips.
Yes.
And these are Kimberbell snips, and they are absolutely fantastic.
Because if you don't get that snipped enough, you will see it.
Yeah, you will actually see it when you put on the top. So now that we have that, I'm going to put my fabric topping on the top there.
Oh, cute.
So isn't that cute?
This is lifesavers.
Yes, because when you stitch around this, it tends to pucker if you don't tape this down really great. And so I'm going to put on all 4 sides. Don't be skimpy on the Kimberbell tape.
I've been there, done that. Well, Sherry's been there, done that.
Sherry did that too.
Yeah. So we're just going to go on number 6 step again.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that's darling.
Isn't that darling? Cute.
And you cut that pretty close too.
Yeah. And then this was one of the funnest things. So I put inside.
Bread.
I brought you some bread. I did, Kyle. There's one for you and one for Chris, and you get to choose. And some preserves.
Oh, preserves.
And isn't that like a fun housewarming?
That'd be great.
Or if you go to visit somebody, if they're sick or ailing.
That's a
and
good
just
idea.
throw these in. It's so cute, and this bag can be used over and over again.